A court has heard how a 2-year-old girl from Pembrokeshire was killed in a frenzied, brutal and violent attack by her mother's boyfriend, who claimed her injuries were caused by the family dog. Lola James died in hospital in July 2020 with head injuries and more than 100 external injuries. 31-year-old Bevan from Aberystwyth is accused of murdering the toddler in Haverfordwest. Lola's mother, Sinead James, is accused of causing or allowing her death. Both deny the charges. Charanpreet Kera reports.
Killed before she could reach her 3rd birthday. Lola James's life had barely started, the prosecution told Swansea Crown Court today, as Bevan stands trial for her murder and her mother Sinead James for allowing it to happen.
On the 16th of July 2020, the court heard that Lola sustained the injuries that led to her death. Prosecutor Carolyn Rees told the jury that at some point that night, Bevan violently assaulted Lola, leaving her unconscious and with catastrophic head injuries. Records from his phone, read out to the jury, paint a picture of what happened.
At 6:32 in the morning, Bevan performed an internet search, the court heard, asking, "My 2-year-old child has just taken a bang to the head and gone all limp and snoring. What's wrong?" 5 minutes later, he took a screenshot shown in court of a website advising that he seek medical help. But it wasn't until 7:28 the court heard that Bevan asked his mother to call an ambulance, which she did straight away. The prosecution told the court he used that hour to concoct lies and cover his tracks, including blaming the family dog for pushing Lola downstairs. Lola was rushed to Withybush Hospital, where the court heard that an emergency doctor described Bevan as hostile and was afraid he would attack her. She found it strange, the court heard, that he asked no questions about Lola's health at all. Doctors found more than 100 bruises and scratches on Lola's body, damage to both her retinas and catastrophic brain damage. The court heard she died 4 days later.
When police searched the family home, the court heard they found the bath spotlessly clean, despite the rest of the house being dirty and cluttered. The prosecution say that fact, as well as a child's wet, vomit-stained onesie, suggests that Bevan tried to wash Lola. They say to clean up signs of his abuse.
While the prosecution said Lola's mother, Sinead James, was not part of what they described as the murderous assault upon Lola, they told the court she failed to protect her daughter from the risk Bevan posed to her. Facebook messages between the couple, read out in court, describe injuries Lola previously suffered in his care, including a bloodied nose and cut lip. Bevan and Sinead James both deny the charges against them, and the trial continues.